Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming where the display ad appears: browser, mobile app, or desktop application. Once you know that, make a quick backup of settings and list installed extensions, hosts file entries, and your DNS provider. This prevents accidental loss. Next, install core tools like an ad blocker such as uBlock Origin and enable developer tools. These let you inspect elements and identify ad sources. Make sure to grant only necessary permissions, because excessive access increases risk. Open developer tools and inspect the page. Element selection reveals the ad container. Network shows which scripts and domains load the creative. Once identified, disable or remove any extension injecting ads and block the offending domain with your ad blocker or browser filter lists. If ads come from system-level calls, edit the host's file to point ad domains to 0, 0, 0, 0, or add firewall rules to drop traffic. Be methodical. Test after each change to confirm Once changes are applied, clear the browser or app cache, restart the program, and revisit the pages to confirm removal. If display ads persist inside apps, consider reinstalling the app or using DNS-based blocking such as Pi-hole or a filtered DNS provider. These intercept ads before they reach the device. If a site breaks, make sure to roll back using your backup and whitelist necessary domains. And if nothing works, collect console logs and block domains to diagnose the remaining source.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.